AVAX blockchain will be huge in the next bull market. And I'm going to tell you why. What's up, YouTube? I'm Crypto Cho, bringing you the latest and the greatest in cryptocurrencies. And today we're going to talk about how AVAX blockchain continues to build and continues to capture even more investors and just expanding their ecosystem. And we're also going to talk about price and what's going on with the AVAX blockchain. But before we get into it, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, turn on those notifications. I'm going to continue to bring AVAX news because it is one of the cryptocurrencies that I invest in. And I just want to give you my personal experience and my thesis on why I continue to invest in the AVAX blockchain. So make sure you take notice of what I'm saying, but also I gotta let you know I am not a financial advisor whatsoever. So please, before going too deep into the crypto space, make sure you consult with the financial advisor. Better yet, do your own research, man. Even financial advisors don't know what's going on right now in the crypto space. You gotta be able to do your own research and know why you are investing in a specific crypto project. If you don't know why you're investing in it, you shouldn't be investing in it, man. I'm telling you this now because I gotta let you know this important information. Don't just go off what YouTubers say, like myself and other people. Make sure you know why you invest in a specific project and have conviction in it. So enough of that. Let's get straight into it. What are we talking about today? AVAX blockchain. First, we're going to talk about price and then get into the good stuff of the video. So let's get it. All right, we see price of AVAX is at $12.56, man. So down less than really 1% on a day, and it is looking absolutely beautiful in my personal opinion, man, because I know a lot of people look at price and want to talk about how they don't want to buy until it hits a certain level. And I'm telling you right now, man, technical analysis in the crypto space is kind of crazy to me because this asset class hasn't been around over 20 years. The only really crypto, or not even, we wouldn't even consider Bitcoin a crypto, but that's the only one that technical analysis really means anything to me. Of course, short term, yeah, I guess if you're a trader, you can kind of do some type of technical analysis if you're trading within minutes or days or weeks, but over a span of time, technical analysis really doesn't mean anything just because these assets haven't even been around 8 years yet, and I believe we don't have enough information to do that. And we know that sentiment in the crypto space is really everything in a narrative in the crypto space. So AVAX is doing some big things as far as creating a narrative with the tokenization of assets. We know about real estate, we know about equities and things like that. So that narrative is being created right now. Even though price is $12.55, I believe this is an absolutely great buying opportunity for the Avalanche blockchain. And I'm going to get into why I believe that in a few, but let's just look over here over on the side of the comments that's posted on CoinMarketCap. And we can see ovenad.com said that they are, one of the top altcoins set to skyrocket in 2023. I don't know about 2023, but for sure 2024, I believe AVAX will do some amazing numbers and amazing returns. Then we got Avalanche, a layer 1 blockchain, is gaining traction with Wall Street asset managers as the financial industry increasingly embraces decentralized finance. And that's what I was talking about as far as the tokenization of assets. I believe that's going to play a big part in the future, and with using blockchain technology, and with AVAX being one of the first blockchains to actually mention it and actually put in an incentive, a $50 million Vista incentive, pretty much driving tokenization onto blockchains. I believe they will be able to capture some of that market share of all the assets in the world, and that's between 5 to 10 trillion plus dollars that we can capture asset or capture market value as far as the tokenization of assets. And we see the crypto nuclear AVAX slash USDT soon will be testing the descending resistance on the 3D time frame, up if we break out occurs. So, like I said, I don't really look at the technical analysis side of things. I look at the narrative in the crypto space because this is a new asset class. But we can see market cap is at $4.3 billion ranked. 18, and we see volume is up 8% on the day, coming in at a standing $95.7 million, and it's ranked 30th. So volume is being pumped for AVAX, and like I continue to say, man, anything under $20 for a coin is very, very undervalued, because I believe AVAX can eventually hit $200 plus in the bull market once crypto space, once the narrative around crypto is back up again. We know this happens every cycle when cryptos go down. You know, nobody talks about the crypto space. They let it go, except for the people who actually want to see the crypto space build and actually believe in the longevity of this technology. You know, regular everyday people, they just think crypto is a fad and they don't truly know what's going on. But if you're listening to this video, you're ahead of the curve, and I'm telling you right now, AVAX is super undervalued. So let's talk about the ecosystem of AVAX, how it's rapidly expanding and regularly sharing exciting updates through news announcements. So we can see latest news. We got the portfolio page on Dexalot. This new features Dexalot profile or portfolio page. Dexalot portfolio page displays token portfolio, asset balances, profit and loss, and time scale. So that's something big. We got Trader Joe is now live on the Ethereum blockchain, introducing liquidity book, the innovative and highly efficient concentrated liquidity AMA to Ethereum ecosystem. So we know Trader Joe is one of the DEXs on, or AMAs on, not AMAs, but AMMs on the actual AVAX blockchain, and with them expanding, is very bullish. Now, we talked about it earlier this week. Balancer has deployed on AVAX. Then we got Debo. Debo is now an integrated core app wallet. We got the crypto wallet collaboration with AVAX. Then we got Trader Joe is now being tracked on DeFi Llama for Ethereum. We got QDAO announces an open source cross-chain safe module that will be powered by Chainlink. Then we got the AvaScan. So AvaScan is now integrated with the DeFi scanner to avoid scam tokens and detect malicious contracts early. So this is very bullish, so we can stop getting scammed on these blockchains, man. AvaScan is really very big. It is how we can view all of these different dApps and things like that, and with this integration, this is going to help us detect scams on the AVAX blockchain. So that's very bullish to me. Now, the very big news, the Avalanche validators are growing fast. So the number of AVAX validators have skyrocketed from 1,200 to 1,300 in just 5 days. And this is a clear testament to our growing community and strength. Now, this is very bullish because this gives us more validators to pretty much protect the network and make it more decentralized. But this is also showing that people believe in the longevity of this blockchain, just becoming a new validator on there. And then once we scroll down, this was actually about a week ago on July 31st. These are the staking stats that are currently on the AVAX blockchain. So we can see the AVAX staking ratio is 62%. The staking reward is around 7% or 8% rather. Then we see the validators, and we have almost 100,000 delegators. So this is very big, and we can see how the United States is pretty much leading the way in AVAX validators, and I love to see this innovation happening outside of the US. I can't wait to see what's in store for the Avalanche blockchain and how they continue to grow in the future. So that's my video for today, Crypto Tro. Make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and leave a comment if I added value to you today. And also, please share this information with anybody who wants to know about the Avalanche blockchain, because they are doing some amazing things in the crypto space right now. So that's my video for today. I'm out of here.